A cylinder bed sewing machine is typically used for bulky product that cannot lay flat on a standard sewing machine table, or any products with rounded edges like duffel bags or oxygen tanks. This machine has a walking foot, so we have the inside foot and the outside foot. First, we turn on the machine to start sewing. I'll grab my 2 pieces of fabric. You notice at the bottom of this one is round. Place this piece inside of the cylinder. Here I have notches to align to the seam. I'll lift my presser foot, place the fabric under the needle, and lower the presser foot. I'll use the outside toe as a guide. This will be about 1/8 of an inch seam allowance. I'll hold onto my trail threads and begin sewing. I'll backstitch and continue sewing. Here, my right hand is aligning the edges of both pieces of fabric. My left hand is just rotating the longer piece of fabric while I sew. You can stop often to align the edges of the fabric. As you come around the full rotation, you'll backstitch, lift the presser foot in the needle, and clip the threads. And there you have it. A cylinder bed sewing machine can make sewing round areas and bulky products so much easier.